Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then find the proper section with the apps, which are right there, apps and notifications. Then let's tap on see all 47 apps. And 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, that was a misclick. 3 dots icon right here. Let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.